So guys, it's just a quick one. Have you ever tried to send a message on WhatsApp? For example, right now I want to send a message and I'm typing a message, how are you? Will you still come around? So instead of you to enter your message, for example, you want to space it to start a fresh message here over this side, and the message will send. For example, you have not yet typed your message, or instantly the message will send. I'm talking about this blue sender here. I'm not talking about this very one. I'm talking about the down one on your keyboard. And then you begin to wonder if anything is wrong with your WhatsApp, and you try to find out or to fix the issue. You actually don't know how to fix this issue. Then this video is actually for you. I'm going to show you how you can fix this kind of error. For example, just like what you're seeing here, I don't think that this thing is going to show on my end here. What I'm talking about is something example like this in your keyboard. You understand? In your own keyboard, you see something like this blue here in the keyboard. It normally not supposed to show like this. You're not supposed to show this blue. There is a way that it's supposed to show. So I'm going to show you how you can fix this kind of issue. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and then I think you can be able to fix this issue after watching this video. So what you would do for you to be able to fix this issue is for you to go over to this place, your three dots here on your WhatsApp, and then click on it. After clicking on it, come over to this settings, which is this very one. Guys, pay attention to this video. Click on the settings, and then it's going to open. So on your WhatsApp, come over to this place that says chat, team wallpaper, chat history. Click on it, and then it's going to load. You see what I'm about to explain to you here, and I want you to pay attention. In this very place that I circle here, or that I use a rectangle to cross it, you see enter it send. Enter key will send your message. You understand? Instead of the enter key to space your video, to space your message, it's going to send your message, and you truly believe that your message have not yet been over. You have not yet typed your conversation, and you try to enter, the message will automatically send. I know a lot of people are facing this issue, and that is the reason why I'm making this video. So if you see on your WhatsApp that this thing is being checked blue like this, so what you do, you have to turn it off. You understand? For example, now let's go back to our chat so that you actually understand what I was trying to explain to you. In the presence of me typing this text message, my keyboard here down here that shows this blue was actually showing send, which is like on the green bar here on the WhatsApp bar. So my own was actually showing send here. So instead of it to send space, you see what I was trying to explain to you. You see, instead of to show space, it was showing send. So this is how you're going to fix this kind of issue, by going to this your settings on your WhatsApp, and then under settings you go over to the chat. Over the chat, if the thing is on like this, turn it off, guys. If it is on, turn it off, so it doesn't should be like this, just like my own. So this is how you solve this kind of issue, guys. And I think that this video is helpful. Like, share, comment, and also subscribe for more videos, tips like this. I really appreciate you guys for your time.